In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Webflow within just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and handy, whether you're trying to replicate an existing page to make adjustments or simply save some time when setting up similar styles across your website. The key here is understanding how to make use of Webflow's intuitive designer interface. So let's dive right in. First, let's get started by navigating to Webflow. Open your favorite browser and search for Webflow, then click on the link that appears in your search results. Once there, you'll need to log in or, if you're new to Webflow, sign up for an account. This involves following the prompts to provide your credentials or setting up a new account, which should be quite straightforward. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open the website project you want to work on. This is simple. Just select from the list of projects if you have more than one, and allow the designer to load. It's here that you'll perform all the necessary actions to duplicate your page. With your project open in Webflow Designer, you'll notice various tools and options on the left-hand sidebar. You're looking for the Pages icon, which typically looks like a stack or paper with lines on it. Click on that icon to bring up a list of all the pages within your website project. This visual display allows you to manage, add, or make changes to your website pages. Next, find the specific page you'd like to duplicate. Hover your mouse over this page to reveal additional options. Here, a gear icon, which signifies Settings, should appear next to the page's name. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Doing so will bring up the Settings menu for that particular page. Within these settings, your main point of focus is the Duplicate button. Click on this option to duplicate the page. However, it's important to mention that depending on your Webflow plan, there might be restrictions if you're using the free plan. This could limit the number of pages you can add. So, make sure you understand the constraints of your plan if you encounter any issues. After clicking Duplicate, Webflow will create a new page that is a perfect copy of your selected page. You'll notice it appears almost immediately in your list of pages. From here, you have the flexibility to rename this duplicate page to something more distinct or relevant to your needs. Moreover, you can begin customizing it, adjusting content, styles, and more as necessary to fit your goals. Congratulations, you've now successfully duplicated a page in Webflow. By understanding these steps, you will save time and enhance the flexibility of your website design. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat these steps as needed to become more familiar with the platform. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy designing!